Welcome! You've been invited to complete an online assessment. This short tutorial will let you know what to expect. You can do this assessment online from the convenience of your own home, or you can come to a Chandler McLeod office if you don't have a suitable computer or working environment. If you're taking this assessment at home, make sure you're in a quiet, comfortable environment and that you're well rested. You may also want to have a glass of water and some paper and a pen nearby. The email we sent you contains temporary login details, as well as the minimum computer requirements and settings you'll need to complete the test. Once you're ready to begin, log into the assessment gateway with the link provided. Here's how the assessment works. The assessment you need to complete will vary depending on the requirements of your role. Your email invitation will outline which assessments you need to complete. Most commonly, there will be two main components for your assessment: ability assessments and a work preference questionnaire. You may also be asked to complete one or more safety, motivational, work-related ability, or skills-based assessments. The ability assessments will assess your skills in areas such as verbal, numerical, and inductive reasoning. The ability assessments are individually timed and will take about 20 minutes each. I'll now explain some of the typical ability assessments. Verbal reasoning measures your ability to interpret and analyse information presented in a written format. There will be a passage of text on the screen. A statement will appear to the side and you will have three options. So you are determining whether the statement is true, false, or cannot say, based on the information you've been given. Numerical reasoning measures your ability to interpret and analyse information presented in a quantitative format. For example, numbers and statistics in tables or graphs. This section will ask you to solve some mathematical problems, and you are able to use a calculator. Inductive reasoning measures your ability to interpret unfamiliar or abstract information using patterns. There will be a sequence of patterns on the screen, and you are to click on the option you think follows next in each sequence. There will be instructions preceding each section, and at this point, you may also be provided with an indication of time limits for some of the time test. Please take some time to review the practice questions at the start of each section, as these will give you a good indication of what to expect. The sections have been set up to be quite challenging to finish in the time allocated, so don't worry if you're not completing all of the questions. Just focus on working efficiently through the sections and answering each question you attempt correctly. The Work Preference Questionnaire looks at your preferred work style. It's untimed, but on average it takes approximately 45 minutes to complete. If you need to complete any other assessment types, you will be provided with instructions for completing the assessments. If you have any questions about the content of your assessment or you experience any technical difficulty, please call our National Assessment Team. You can find their contact number in your email invitation. Once your assessment is complete and you've been notified of the outcome of the selection process, you can call our assessment team to schedule a complimentary feedback session with one of our consultants who will explain your results. You should now be ready to get started. Good luck with your assessments.